Like many of us, you probably have hundreds of thousands of photos in your phone or on the cloud, never to be seen again. Well, the Lenovo Smart Frame is one way to have them come to light. This is a digital photo frame that looks very much like a gallery-style art display. It has a 21.5-inch IPS display with anti-glare coating so that any photo or art piece that shows up has a nice matte finish. In fact, when we walked in here to the Lenovo showroom, we were almost tricked to think this was a real photo frame. The Lenovo Smart Frame has a 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution, as well as 85-degree viewing angles. The Lenovo Smart Frame can be displayed on an easel like this, or it comes with a circular mount to mount it on your wall. The mount has a level as well as space for cable management. Or if you're really ambitious, you can even wire this into your home's wiring. The Lenovo Smart Frame has an ambient light sensor that will change the lighting and temperature of the photo or art piece depending on the surrounding environment. It also has a motion control sensor so that with the one gesture of your hand, you can scroll through different images and art. The primary way to load photos and art onto the display is with a Lenovo app. The app can be connected to any of your favorite cloud services like Google Photos, Dropbox, and so forth. With the app, you can also control how the images are displayed with a collage, for example. And in the future, they will provide a look back feature where you can do a throwback Thursday, for example, and see photos from 5 years ago. In the future, Lenovo also hopes to provide a gallery of different art pieces so that you don't have to just use it for photos, but also beautiful works of art. The Lenovo Smart Frame is also rather future-proof. It has speakers on the back in case you want to feature videos, for example, and there's a microphone array on the front in the event that it partners up with Google or Amazon in the future. The Lenovo Smart Frame will retail later this year for around $399 for not just the display, but also a metallic finish frame. If you want additional frames like this wood one right here, that's around $39.99 each. The mounting hardware will also let you rotate the Lenovo Smart Frame either in portrait mode or to landscape mode. It's definitely impressive to see how realistic and lifelike this Lenovo Smart Frame. It looks exactly like any art frame in any gallery. And I think it will be pretty popular for those who want to add a digital photo frame into their homes. For more coverage of CES 2020, please go to Engadget.com.